You have a dirty, grimy engine compartment and want to clean it up? Well, Speed and Shine's APC, all-purpose cleaner, will help you make that job easy. Simply spray it on, let it dwell, and wipe it with a rag. If needed, use a soft nylon bristle brush. And unlike the worries of taking a hose and soap and spraying high pressure around and worrying that car may not start, you get the same results with just a little bit extra work and it'll safely start. APC is a heavy-duty, all-purpose cleaner designed to clean exterior components and upholstery. From the dirtiest car engines, tires, carpet, and truck beds to the grimiest wheels and suspension, this is your go-to. When you need to get it clean and get it clean fast, reach for APC. Helpful hint when cleaning under the hood is always make sure those vents are clean. They can get clogged up with leaves and junk. And of course that means all that fresh air that comes into your car is traveling through that junk first before it gets into your lungs. So take a second there and clean it out with a vacuum. Sometimes you can pull that stuff apart and hose it out, but it's coming off pretty easy with a vacuum. Your lungs will thank you. Now that we got that engine compartment clean, let's restore that black plastic pieces with some tire sheen. Tire sheen is formulated to enhance the longevity and the overall appearance of rubber, vinyl, and plastic surfaces. If you want it to look shinier, just keep reapplying it. Once it's dry, it won't collect dust, and when you open that hood, it's going to look great for a long time to come. The other good thing is it's not an aerosol, meaning we're not spraying it all over the engine compartment, getting it on the fenders and the lights and the grill. We're only putting it where we need it to be, on the plastic and on the rubber. Here's before, and there are the results.